어젯밤에 꾸던 꿈은 영원한 환상, 슬픔에 지던 꽃. 내일 밤에 꿀래 꿈은 영원한 공기, 기쁨에 뛰는 너를 매일 안고, 너를 향한 결코 상냥한 날들, 노란 1등석 자리 나에게 상속시켜주면 돼. 예쁜 여자가 되는 법, 숨겨온 비법에 난 매력. 예쁜 여자가 되는 법, 마지막 운명의 선택을 향해. 예뻐요 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 예쁘네요. 예뻐요 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 예쁘네요. 예뻐요 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 예쁘네요. 예뻐요 예뻐요 나는 예쁜 여자.
Hi guys, it's Shallon. I am selling this shirt that I made in my shop Kittenishly on Depop. It's the last one I have left over from a batch that I had made in 2017, and yeah, it's a size small. I only have it in black. I used to have it in white, and I also did not realize that mine was cut up. So I will show you later on in the white what it's supposed to look like on not cut up. But if you like it cropped, you can, feel free to do that for yourself. But yeah, if anyone is interested in these, then I may re-release them. But yeah, this was like my first try at making my own design for an idea that I had. So I hope you like this video, hope you enjoy. Check out my shop and everything, and yeah, have a lovely day. Bye.
What'd you do that for?
Been wondering whether I'd like it. Been wondering whether I'd like it. Whether I'd like it.
What'd you do that for?
Been wondering whether I'd like it.
What's the decision?
I don't know yet. It's even better when you help. Okay. You know you don't have to act with me, Steve. You don't have to say anything, and you don't have to do anything. Not a thing. Oh, maybe just whistle. You know how to whistle, don't you, Steve? You just put your lips together and blow. You just put your lips together and blow.